Welcome back to Humanoid Robotics Weekly, the show where we break down all the breakthroughs, blunders, and bold moves in the ever-expanding world of human-shaped machines. This week, Figure AI drops a humanoid that could clock in for work tomorrow. Deep Robotics builds a bot that shrugs off rainstorms. SoftBank goes shopping again, this time buying ABB's robotics division for $5 billion. And India steps onto the humanoid stage with a major partnership that could shake up global manufacturing. Let's get into it. Let's start with the headliner, Figure 03, the brand new humanoid from Figure AI, a company dead set on making general-purpose robots as common as forklifts. Figure 03 isn't a concept video or lab prototype. It's the first production-ready model designed to actually work in the real world. The upgrades? Practically everything. A carbon fiber frame, new high-efficiency actuators, improved power management, and an AI control system built in-house, called Helix. That last part is huge. Instead of running on pre-programmed scripts, Figure 03 can learn tasks by watching. It uses visual demonstration learning. Literally, see once, do once. We've already seen footage of it folding shirts, packing boxes, and sorting parts with eerie precision. No motion capture suits, no joysticks, just cameras, neural nets, and a lot of quiet confidence. It's rated to lift around 25 kilograms, work for hours per charge, and even hold a basic conversation using a GPT-style language model. So, yes, it can actually talk about its job. Imagine your robot coworker sighing, "You again," when you walk past the assembly line. Figure's founder, Brett Adcock, called this the dawn of large-scale humanoid deployment. Translation: they're not just building robots, they're building a workforce. Meanwhile, in China, Deep Robotics decided that humanoids shouldn't just work, they should survive the apocalypse. Enter the DR02, the world's first industrial-grade, all-weather humanoid robot. This thing has an IP66 rating, which in plain English means it's dust-tight, water-resistant, and could probably handle a power washer to the face. It's built for outdoor environments, construction, logistics yards, or anywhere humans prefer to stay dry. The DR02 can operate in rain, snow, and scorching heat, between minus 20 degrees and plus 45 degrees Celsius, which means it might actually keep working through a typhoon while you're at home watching this show. It's a tank of a robot, heavier frame, wider stance, and a ruggedized shell that makes it look halfway between a firefighter and a sci-fi villain. While Western robotics focuses on precision and dexterity, China's betting on durability. Robots that can work anywhere, anytime. And honestly, that might be the smartest play of all. Now for the business bombshell. SoftBank just bought ABB's robotics division in a $5.4 billion deal, one of the biggest acquisitions in robotics history. ABB isn't some startup. It's one of the original giants of industrial automation. More than 50 countries, hundreds of thousands of robots already in factories. So why is SoftBank doing this? Simple. Consolidation. They already own chunks of Boston Dynamics, have AI ventures sprinkled across Asia, and now they've added ABB's global infrastructure. The move makes SoftBank arguably the single most powerful private player in humanoid-adjacent robotics. Expect to see ABB's world-class manipulators combined with next-gen AI and humanoid platforms. SoftBank's playing chess here. They don't just want robots in labs, they want robots everywhere. And finally, the global race just got a new contender. India. Auto parts powerhouse Sona Comstar announced a partnership with Germany's Neura Robotics to build humanoid and service robots right in India. Their plan? Use India's massive manufacturing base to produce affordable robots for logistics, automotive, and service industries, under the banner of human-centric automation. That's corporate speak for robots regular people can actually work alongside without panicking. For India, this is a strategic leap, from being the world's factory to potentially being a world leader in humanoid production. With Neura's precision robotics tech and Sona's supply chain muscle, we might see locally built humanoids hitting the market sooner than expected. So to recap this week's humanoid news, Figure 03, the smartest and most human-like worker yet. Deep Robotics DR02, the toughest bot built for real weather and real work. SoftBank, buying up robotics like it's on clearance. And India, officially entering the humanoid big leagues. It's no exaggeration to say this week marks a turning point, from humanoids being prototypes to being products. If you enjoyed this rundown of the week robots took one step closer to replacing us all, in a good way, hit like, subscribe to Humanoid Robotics Weekly, and drop a comment telling us. If you could own one humanoid robot, what job would you give it first? Spoiler, mine's editing this video.